Some people would ask why we have rejected from right here for like 6%. And yesterday I've made a video where I showed you why that level was a resistance. As you can see, I showed you also this basically range, and I told you that this is the resistance. Why it was resistance? Basically just because it was the high of the range. We are at the middle of our channel. We had also a daily level. You can see a perfect SR flip, so support broken, and right now it flipped into resistance. So basically that was the reason for us to reject to our low of the channel. We haven't touched it, but as we are still in our bearish market structure, so that is why it is very possible for us to reach a low of the range. But about that I will talk a little bit later. Right now, let's see what is the support and resistance levels for us. First of all, I want to show you my resistance levels, and then I will show you my support levels. So what is very important is obviously the daily levels, which I'm updating every day. So that is why they are called daily levels. So what do we have right here? What is very, very interesting for me is that we have previous day point of control, which was not touched. That means that it is the naked point of control. As you can see, this red line is the naked point of control. So that is the interesting level for me, because very often on the first touch, it acts as a support or resistance. So what we can do right now is pull our Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low. And as you can see, we have a golden pocket very nicely lining up with our naked point of control and previous day value area, previous day point of control, sorry. So that is the one confluence to our level. And let's see if we have some more confluences. As you can see, it acted as a resistance like 4-5 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had a deviation. So if we had a deviation, what I could think is that it is very possible to again have a deviation. Why is that? Just because we have a previous day value area high just above this level, and also it is a perfect SR flip, and it is the middle of the channel. So what I'm thinking right now is that this is a zone of resistance of 1%, and that is the zone where I will look for shorts basically. Also, if we expand our Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that we have a 0.75 Fibonacci retracement right here, lining up really well with our middle of the channel and previous day value area high. So that is another confluence. And also that is what is important is that we have a daily level. Let's make it again to golden pocket only. And right now you can see that we have another blue line right here. This is the daily level. So this is another confluence to our resistance level. So middle of the channel right here is the very, very big resistance for me. So if we'll manage to break this level, then what I will look for is basically for this naked point of control and the weekly level. Very simply, we have a consolidation right here. So that is a nice confluence already for our resistance zone. And as you can see, it should act as a resistance again because we have an SR flip. We have a weekly level right here. So what we had is the support broken, retested as a resistance, and it right now should act as a resistance also. So that is it for a resistance. And right now let's look for a support. Right now it's kind of hard to say where is the proper and nice support, because it looks like we are entering in our previous day value area. So the probabilities that we should go higher into the previous day value area high are pretty high. So what I could imagine is if we go, let's hide some things. If we go higher up to our, for example, previous day value area high, and we reject from there, we can expect the previous day value area low again act as a support if we make something like this. So that would be my support zone. But eventually I don't have a lot of confidence to it. What we can see is there also SR flips, so support, broken, resistance, broken, support, support, broken, a little reactions, resistance, broken, again, support. So if this will still be a support, then I would expect it to go higher and then reject into our support zone right here. But yeah, as I said, this is not a big support level for me. But right now, what is very important is if we go into bigger time frame and pull our Fibonacci retracement tool again from this low to the high, we can see that we have a golden pocket and our low of the range. I showed you not once at this level, but I think you can forget it. So that is why I am showing to you it again. So this is the major support zone. What I would look for is really for the swing failure pattern of these lows, because I do really think that right here, this is a very big liquidity zone. And yeah, the swing failure pattern would be very, very nice to see. So yeah, going maybe down, not reaching it, and making a swing failure pattern, closing above, maybe retesting, and going up. So obviously the open interest, the delta volume that is where what I will basically monitor, CVD divergences also, and that is where I will make my informed decision to take a long or to continue to go lower. So I really hope that you liked my technical analysis, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell. See you next time. Bye.